And welcome back. Well, skin on the neck and chest are hard to treat because it's much thinner and more delicate than our faces. But there's a new procedure getting a lot of attention lately that works great on both of those areas.
I wrote that script, so it's my fault, just so you know. It's not Tiffany, she can read. Well, it is called ClearLift, and here to explain how it works is Dr. Deborah Manjoney with the Wisconsin Vein Center and MediSpa.
Good
So nice to be here. And we were showing a picture of the eyes because this skin under our eyes, around our eyes, our necks and our chest is
so thin.
Real thin,
It
right?
is. It's thin and it gets kind of crepey as we get older, and fine lines tend to show up. You know, some people actually have necklines from their 20s.
Yeah.
I've had one big neckline for years, but you know, it's one thing that we have to think about as women because it can give away our age.
Yes, it can. It can, even though it can start when you're 20. Most of the time, it happens when you're older, and so it can give away your age. It's a place that people put scarves and hide their necks all the time.
But let's talk about ClearLift. Okay, this is the Alma Lasers ClearLift.
That's correct.
It's a very it's no downtime. It's pain-free and very effective, right?
Absolutely, it is. Now, we've talked about it before because it's originally called the Pixel Q-switch laser because that's what the technology is.
Okay.
It's a Q-switch laser, which means it's giving nanobursts of energy into the skin. The wonderful thing about it is that it avoids injury to the top layer of the skin, the epidermis. And so it's just going deeper. It's going 3 to 4 millimeters down deep into the skin in a fractionated or pixelated fashion. So it's multiple little shots going down in there. And we can do it very quickly, no discomfort at all, no need to numb ahead of time, no injury to the skin, so somebody can walk out immediately afterwards and they don't
Even the lips.
Even the lips. Lips works great on lip lines.
Wow.
So this is one treatment that I would say that everybody who works for us tries to get in to have. You know, they try to make some time in the day or after they're finished work to at least have, because it's so quick, easy, painless, and they can go on and do whatever they want to do.
Well, and when you say quick, it's 20 minutes for the face, 10 to 15 minutes for the neck.
That's right.
It truly is as quick and painless as you're saying.
Very, very quick. And it's getting so much hype lately.
Yeah, featured on The View.
It was on The View last month. It's been on Dr. Oz recently. It's been on The Doctors. It really is a tremendous new innovation.
Why is it getting so much hype, do you think? What do you think sets it apart from other types of treatments?
I think it truly is the fact that it's not ablative, meaning it's not injuring the upper layer of the skin. And I think this is what all of us are looking for. We don't want downtime. I mean, it was one thing to have a facelift and have to wait, you know, 2 weeks before you go out in public, or to have a carbon dioxide laser treatment years and years ago where you were red for months. This way, you know, somebody can have something done. You can see gradual improvement, immediate improvement, but gradual improvement over 3 months to 6 months with several treatments, and really have excellent results. Absolutely no downtime, no discomfort.
Those nasolabial folds, you can tell right there, really are
get a lift. I mean, our clinicians, our estheticians, and our nurses who are doing these procedures really are impressed with what people are seeing.
What about skin color? Are there certain colors that it won't work on?
Actually, it will work on all skin colors. It's very, very safe laser. It's a 1064 nanometer wavelength. That's the wavelength we use even on very black, dark skin to do hair removal or something else. So it's a very safe laser.
Works on the chest, works on the neck, works around the eyes?
Yes, it does. I mean, we have to protect our eyes, of course, because it's a laser. But on the skin, it's very, very safe.
Now, this month, you have this March Mania special, right? And I think this is a great kind of introduction to get people to try this.
Right. We have several specials going on this month, but our next special, which is using the ClearLift, is you can buy 3 and get a 4th one for free, plus get Nectifirm, which is a wonderful skin tightening cream that we can package in with it for the price of 3 treatments for the neck.
And that's how many you recommend. So here's the graphic for the special that Molly and Deb mentioned. Again, get 4 neck treatments for the price of 3. Receive a neck firming cream, which is the Nectifirm, in addition to that. And those amount of treatments, that's what you recommend. You recommend 3 to 4 treatments.
3 to 4 treatments. That's what we recommend.
This is a full, like, fix-it package.
And it's every 3 weeks. You can come in and have it done, 3 to 4 weeks. And so it really doesn't take very long. As I said, you'll see some improvement very quickly, but it will continue to improve because it's going deep and building collagen.
And tighten.
What I think is wonderful is that you do free consultations. And what it includes is a really, like, close look at your skin, what your expectations are, you know, kind of like what you see as your problem areas or where you want to improve. And then you also get into skincare products, which I know you feel it's like one thing to do these great procedures.
But then you want to keep
yourself
follow it up.
Right.
Right. And so the skincare component of it is important as well.
That's right. And so people don't just have to have their necks done, for instance. They can do something with their face too, but the special this month is the neck, as well as many other specials if they want to look on our website.
It's fantastic. So here's the information for the Wisconsin Vein Center and MediSpa. You can call them for an appointment and that free consultation that I mentioned. Remember that the Alma Laser, the ClearLift, you can get 4 treatments of the neck for the price of just 3. It also includes that free neck firming cream, which is fantastic. And for your appointment, to check the website, wimedispa.com, and the phone number 262-746-9088. You're located in Pewaukee, and that's the number to call for an appointment. Thank you so much.
Thank
Great to see you.
Very much. Wonderful to see you.
You too.